For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. Hey guys, it is Wise from ystech.org here, and today we're going to be doing a really cool build. Now, this is going to be a server, as you can see here. I've got different points of view, so hopefully we'll be able to do this properly. So we're going to be building this server, not any just type of server, it's the one and only 8 terabyte server. So that's 8 terabytes of Seagate Iron Wolves. So it's two 4 terabyte drives. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit nervous, I've never done this before. And this camera is a little bit tight around my chest, but should be right for now. Hopefully this will go well, and you can see we've got the motherboard, the power supply, and we've got the case here, and we've got an SSD, some SATA cables, the Ethernet cable, and two 4 terabyte drives. So let's go ahead and get this guy going. So this will be the first build I've been doing ever on my channel, so this will be pretty good for everyone to see what I do. In no means is this a build guide, it's just going to be a collection of me just building this little NAS here. So this thing is only like 30 centimeters high, so it's pretty small, and I hope you guys enjoy this because I think it's going to be pretty cool. First time of setting up everything properly, and yeah, let's go straight into it. So first of all, this case, for everything on this channel, you can check out the unboxings for them, the motherboard, the power supply, the hard drives will come out soon. I think I've done the SSD. This case has just been done a few weeks ago, so it's got a metal shield here, and as you can see, it's pretty hefty, and yeah, don't want to get yourself cut with something like this. It's okay design, but the reason I got this case is because I want something small. So I'm going to put this aside for now, and we're going to put the motherboard away because I need to take the power supply out of this existing case here. So this here comes with a power supply here. I actually got my own one because I don't really trust the one that comes with it, or at least a shorter one if need be. But I hope you guys are into builds, because this one's going to take a little while. Probably not too long, to be honest, because I don't think it's that complex. I'm not adding anything fancy here. Just plugging in a few hard drives, putting in the motherboard, and the power supply. So I'm going to keep these screws I have here that I'm taking out. So you guys can probably see on the POV. I'm not dropping the power supply correctly. Should be on its other side. So let's get up here, and let's see how this gun goes. Cool, so I got the power supply out. I've actually gone with a really budget power supply here. I've gone with the ET500. So it's by Silverstone. It's 80 plus bronze certified, so nothing fancy here. Cool, so it's all done there, so pretty chill with that. So this case has front I/O. Probably won't sort that out now, but I forgot to mention it. It does have 3.5mm input, and for microphone as well, two USB 2.0s, and a power button. Probably won't actually be attaching the... Oh, maybe I will. Might as well just one time attach the audio, but I definitely won't be using audio on the server. But it is convenient to have that. You just put 50N Windows 8 board. I got it was cheap, it was like $30. Comes with 4 SATA and an AMD integrated board, so got some screws here screwed in, and let's go ahead and actually see if this guy actually fits. I don't know if it came with it. Okay, this is kind of freaking me out right now. What is breaking? Oh my god. There. I am not using the right screw, so I will change that later. Unfortunately, I don't have any other screws on me. Should be okay for now, but I will need to change this in the future. Don't know where it is. So, jump in here and find it. Oh, please don't tell me they're over there. Oh, this is a joke, right? No. Look at another bad manual. Yup, the front panel's over there. Oof. Alright. I think I'm gonna sit down for a second. Okay, so I think I've managed to get the front panels in, so the front panel connected, so you guys can see that in there. You guys probably can't at all, but somehow managed to get it in, I think. So I'm just gonna try turn it on before I plug any hard drives or SSDs in. I have seen this motherboard boot once. So. Cool, it started. Woo! So, like show anything, like post. That's a cool front blue indicator. Oh, it works. It works. We're all good. It's working. Cool. So, just gonna shut it down now. The system works. What can I say? It's working. Cool. So we're okay for that for now. That's good. If one actually fits, so I've got one already unwrapped, so let's go ahead and open it here. So oh, I did not think about this at all. No. Simply does not fit any hard drive, which is very odd. So, what I will tell you guys is, be prepared for round 2, because I'm going to be making something at uni then that I didn't think I have to. So, I'm going to have to make an extra hard drive caddy and modifying this case a little bit. So, stick around for part 2. This is the first week's worth. I think it's pretty good. Got it to boot. We managed to get everything working so far. Hard drives are yet to be tested. I know the SSD is working, but overall I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Let me know if you did or didn't in the comments below. And yeah, I mean this is my first POV, and thank you guys on this camera, and thank you guys on this camera, and thank you guys on this camera as well for sticking around for so long. We'll edit this down into a short version and a longer version as well. So yeah, this is a one weird server. Maybe should have gone with a bigger case, considering that it doesn't actually have any space for extra hard drives. But you know, honestly, for the money, I think it was still pretty good an option. And considering I just have to add 2 carriages on top of this, or beside it, or you know, wherever, I can make this look pretty good as well. So. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you stick around and subscribe for it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're going to check out wisestech.org for the latest post reviews and much more. I'll see you guys there at wisestech.org. Oops, lighting's falling all over the place. But other than that, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay healthy guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!